Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to begin the firmware update now, so have power and a stable USB connection ready. Open Astro Command Center or connect the A50 base to your console. This lets the device receive files. Once connected, the software will detect the headset and show available firmware. Start the update immediately. This upgrades stability and wireless performance. Make sure the base and headset remain powered. Interruptions can corrupt firmware. If prompted, allow driver installs so the update utility can communicate with the hardware. You'll now execute the update and watch it proceed. Click Update and keep an eye on the progress indicator. The utility will unpack files, write firmware to the base and headset, and may reboot hardware automatically. That's normal. Keep the headset on the dock and avoid touching cables. If the process appears slow, be patient. Firmware writes and verification take time. Once the utility reports completion, let the devices finish any post-installation reboots. Premature disconnection risks a failed install and requires recovery steps. Finish by confirming the firmware version shown in Astro Command Center and then test audio, mic, and wireless range to ensure expected improvements. Once done, reapply any saved EQ or profiles because some updates reset settings. If you notice instability, perform a factory reset only after backing up presets. Troubleshooting tip: if the update fails or reports errors, switch USB ports, use a USB 2.0 port or a different computer. Reinstall the command center and retry. These steps resolve most communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.